Hello and welcome to our Peakboard tutorial. Today we will show you how to integrate a Tableau dashboard into a Peakboard visualization. Let's start in the Tableau environment, where we first open the settings. Here we create a new app under Connected Apps, assign a name, and we can adjust settings such as the access level. In our case, however, we keep the default values and create a new secret in the app. We will need this information later to generate a token, which allows us to authenticate with Tableau. Then we activate the app and switch to the Peakboard Designer. Here we install the Tableau Token Generator extension under Extensions, restart the designer, and then select the newly installed extension. We enter the required parameters as shown and generate the token. Then we name the extension and create additional variables like the server name, which we copy from the URL as shown and the URL itself. Next, we add a header and create an HTML control, in which we allow all certificates and cross-platform usage. We name the control as we want to adjust the HTML per script later. In the refresh script of the Tableau Token Generator, we create the HTML, which is linked in the video description. It requires all parameters for access to our Tableau dashboard. We also append the token. Now we insert the HTML into our control via script and set the activation interval of the Tableau token data source to 1 time. Additionally, we set the refresh time of our HTML control to 60 seconds, so that the dashboard is refreshed every minute. When we click on Preview, the Tableau dashboard is displayed. Thank you for watching. See you next time.